Hello friends, welcome to bispsolutions.com. My name is Sumit and I am VP of CRM Solutions with BISP. Recently we got a requirement from our client that they would be requiring to display the multiple charts on a single Visualforce page by querying the data from opportunities, and they would like to display the total one opportunities in different chart based on the per month for the last year for a specific account. So we figure out this solution for our client. And I decided that I should share the same solution with you guys as well. So let's see how to add multiple charts on a Visualforce page, on a single Visualforce page, by using controllers. So in this recipe, we will be going to use Visualforce page and controllers and wrapper class. To know more about controllers, custom controllers and wrapper class, you can go through the previous videos. And I'm using my Salesforce developer account to completing the same scenario. So first of all, as you can see, we have got opportunities, and if I list all the opportunities, we have got around 33 opportunities in total. And I would like to create a Visualforce page here, and this will display a table of bar chart which consists of 9 different charts, basically 9 different accounts, and the total one opportunities values per month. So based on month, it will display the one opportunities. So first of all, let's create a VF page. So I create apex slash and multiple apex slash multiple charts. Or it should be like this: apex slash multiple charts. So it says that this chart, this page does not exist. So there are other ways to create this Visualforce page, and this is, I'm getting this kind of error message. I'm not able to get any link here for creating this page because the developers mode is disabled. So let me enable development mode. So I go to my settings, personal, advanced user details, and in advanced user details I need to enable the development mode. So if this development mode is disabled, we won't be able to create a Visualforce page by using URL method. So now I have enabled the development mode, and now I'm going to write the URL again, multiple charts, and this time it throws an error message and also gives me an option to create a new VF page. So I click on multiple charts VF page, and so let me write the code. So that's the code for the following program, and as you can see here, first of all, we have added a controller named as chart table controller, and I set the title as charts. Then because I would like to include multiple charts, so that's why I'm using HTML table block. So table width is 100%, borders width, and so on, and I'm using one tag that is called apex colon repeat. Apex colon repeat is used for iteration, and this would be getting the value from rows, and where is equal to row. Where value is equal to row is basically, it's a class. So whatever number of we have a rows here in this table, that will return to this repeat tag. Then it would be getting the values from row chart, and it would be defined as chart, and then we display chart index. We set the values as chart height, date, and render to chart.idx. Then we have index, we have, because we are going to display the bar chart. So for bar chart, it is mandatory that we need to define both the x-axis and the y-axis. So that's the code for define the x-axis. So this will define the x-axis and this will define y-axis. And the bar series orientation is horizontal. By default it is horizontal. I can change it to vertical. And on X field I would like to display opportunity total, and Y field I would like to display name. So that's the field name, opportunity total and name. Now let's look at the controller. So in this controller we'll be using the wrapper class. So there are two wrapper classes. First we have is chart data and another we have is row. So we started with the list of month name. So there it's a static list, and it stores the month name from January to December, and that month name stores into that list stores into month underscore name. Then we have a list called get rows. So get rows is basically is a function for the wrapper class. It's a function for row wrapper class. So this would be storing the values. It would be storing the records into that particular class. And I set the limit as 9 because I want to display only 9. I want to display the charts only for 9 accounts on a Visualforce page. Otherwise it will become too bulky. If you want more number of accounts, you can increase the limit or you can remove the limit. So basically we'd be getting the account names, and based on the account name we would be filtering the opportunities. Then we have a get account chart data. This get account chart data is again a wrapper class, and here there are 3 parameters. We'll be passing the index, string name and the month date. So what for which month, because one we can have an opportunity for different months. So that's why we'll be we'll be passing it as an into wrapper class, and in this wrapper class we revert back the data onto the uh, Visualforce page. Then we have one more wrapper class for month data to store the month name and opportunity total. So in a specific, this is for the month, and what would be the opportunity total. So that's the name and that's the opportunity total. So in any case, if there is no record for a month, there is no data for any month. So then for that we have created one random class. So basically just for demonstration purpose only, we created some random data for empty months, and that random number will be from 0 to 7,50,000. This is a random amount. Then finally we are using mapping functionality here, and this mapping will be mapped with the integer and the month data, and we initiate a process and would be getting the month data, new month date, month name dot get month name. So for a specific month it will get the value and stored into the list. And finally we would be writing a query. We write one SQL query and we get the value for we execute a query to extract the ID, close date, amount from opportunity, whose account ID is mapped with the account ID which we have already extracted in the by using wrapper class, and it would be between the close date and the end date. And the end date and start date we have set here, start date and end date. Start date would be current date dot add year -1 from previous year to current year. So I would like to get all the I would like to get all the closed won opportunities for last 1 year for every month and display as a chart. And time instance, the start would be 00, it would be the working hours, and end would be 23, 59, 59 and 999 milliseconds. And when I save and execute, when I run and save and run it, this would be this would be the output. So as you can see here, there are total 9 charts on a single page, and it says, so these are the accounts. This is a Genie Point account, this is United Oil and Gas Company, United Oil and Gas Singapore. These all are account name, and these are the opportunities closed total. So that's the closed total for a specific month. There are some random data as well. If you only want a specific value, so we can remove that random and it would work. If we increase the limit, we can, because I have set the limit while extracting the account, I set the limit as 9. We can have more accounts and we can remove this limit or increase the limit as required. So this functionality, this methodology helps our clients to display multiple charts on a single Visualforce page. So that's all in this video. I hope this video will help you to fulfill requirements for your clients. If you have any queries, you can visit us, our website www.bspsolutions.com. We are a niche service providers in Salesforce domain, and we would be giving uh, job support as well as consulting services both for Salesforce and Salesforce Wave Analytics. Also, you can connect us for training support as well. That's all. Keep watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.